Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our NIBS home school. My dear students, hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Sanjida Rahman, assistant teacher, National Ideal English Version School. My dear students, today I am going to take a science class for the student of class 7 and our lecture number 3. Today's class topic is creative question number 1 and 2 from chapter 1. These two questions is from your book. So let's start our class. Here, chapter 1, the name of our chapter is lower organisms. In our previous class, we discussed this chapter, what is virus, algae, different kinds of virus, what is the effect of the virus, harmful effects of the virus, beneficial effects of the lower organisms. In our previous class, we discussed about this. In our today's class, we will discuss creative question number 1 and 2. Now, here is the creative question 1. There is a figure. Figure number A and figure number B. A. Question A. What is algae? B. Why are fungi termed as saprophytes? Number 3. Explain the preventive measures against the diseases caused by A. Number D. B is a harmful organism, but it is important for the environment. Give your comments with reason. Now, answer. What is algae? Answer is algae are autophytic plants of order Thallophyta which can produce their own food due to the presence of chlorophyll. We know that chlorophyll is a colorful organism which help to produce plants own food. So here algae is a chlorophyllous plant. It has chlorophyll, so it can prepare its own food by itself, and autophytic that means it can produce its own food. Now B. Why are fungi termed as saprophytes? Answer. Fungi are non-green thallophytic plants. They cannot take part in photosynthesis because they do not have chlorophyll. So they are heterophyte or saprophytic. Heterophytic means those who collect food, their food from other plants, and saprophytic means the plants which collect its food from the dead bodies, that means dead animals and dead plants. Number C. Explain the preventive measures against the disease caused by A, that means in amoeba. This picture is the amoeba's picture. So explain the preventive measures against the disease caused by A. C. Answer. Figure A is a picture of amoeba. It causes amoebic dysentery. To prevent the disease, following steps are to be taken. Number 1. Hands to be washed thoroughly with the soap or hand wash before taking meals and after defecation. Number 2. Nails should be cut regularly and keep small. Number 3. Filtered or boiled water should be taken. Tubal water also safe for drinking, bathing and washing. Number 4. Sanitary toilets with hygienic quality are to be used. You can write more points from your book. So you can write here more points. Number D. Here is the figure B. Figure B is a harmful organism, but it is important for the environment. Give your comments with reason. Now answer B. D. Figure B is a picture of bacteria, prokaryotic organisms. They are responsible for producing diseases in man, animal and plants. They also help in decomposing dead bodies and organic wastes. As a result, the decomposition converts into organic fertilizer and mixes with the soil to increase fertility. Thus, the plant can collect nutrition from the soil. Some bacteria fixes nitrogen in the soil and those help plants collect it from there. Nitrogen is essential for the plants for their survival and growth. Bacteria also help in removing jute fibers from the stick. So, we can conclude that although bacteria are harmful microscopic organisms, but in some cases they are very essential for us and natural balance. Now, my dear students, we discussed creative question number 1 and now today we will discuss creative question number 2. Creative question 2, here is a stem. Sohail is suffering from influenza. His father told him to use handkerchief while coughing and sneezing. Now, question A. What is virus? B. Why is virus called acellular? C. What is the reason for telling Sohail to use handkerchief? Number D. How would Sohail make others aware of the preventive measures against the diseases? Answer A. What is a virus? A virus is a minority entity composed of nucleic acid and a protein coat, which exhibit a few living characteristics while it is in a living cell. So, what is virus? We can found from here. Number B. Why is virus called acellular? Virus is an electronic microscopic entity made of a nucleic acid inside and a protein coat outside. Cellular structure like the cell wall, plasma membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm, etc. are totally absent. That's why a virus is called acellular. Now, question number C. What is the reason for telling Sohail to use handkerchief? Answer. Sohail is suffering from the influenza. It's an airborne viral disease. Influenza patients suffer from high fever, cold and cough. As these diseases is contagious, a healthy person may fall victims to influenza from the sneezing and coughing of diseased person. For this reason, Sohail's father told him to use handkerchief while coughing and sneezing, so that microbes of influenza cannot infect healthy bodies. Now, question D. How would Sohail make others aware of the preventive measures against the diseases? By giving following tips, Sohail can make others aware of the preventive measures against the influenza. Number 1. Using mask or handkerchief while sneezing and coughing. Number 2. Not spitting here and there. Number 3. After wiping off cough with the handkerchief, it is essential to wash it on. Number 4. One should avoid using or coming in contact with usable things of the diseased person. Number 5. Drink safe water. Number 6. Frequently clean commonly touched surfaces, doorknobs, refrigerator, handle, phone, water, faucets if someone in the house has a cold or flu. And number 7. Avoid close contact between infects and anyone who has a cold or flu. So, in this way we can take a preventive measures to keep ourselves safe from the flu or influenza flu. Now, my dear students, I hope you understand today's class, and your homework for the next week is CQ number 3. Here it will be CQ number 2. CQ number 2, C plus D part. You will submit your homework on Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. Till then, keep well. Assalamu alaikum.